We browse again to the Business Accelerator Hub and check the documentation for the Purchase Order API. We see we need this specific communication arrangement, so we quickly make sure that we have it activated on our tenant. That API will be consumed by our CAP backend service here that will be later used in our build app UI. So this is how we expose it. First, we added the API definition from the Business Accelerator Hub to our CAP project and generated the season, which represents an external service which is bind to a BTP destination defined here. This destination is pointing to my S/4HANA Cloud tenant. It is important to note here that CAP and destinations already handle the cross-site request forgery for us. Here, we define the endpoint that will be called from our build app using a projection of our external service definition. We handle the requests in this simple function here and get rid of the CORS issue by adding our app URL to our allowed origins in our Bootstrap event. This is deployed to Cloud Foundry and we will consume it now in our build apps. This is the button that will trigger the call to that purchase order API. So we need to register here another data integration pointing to my CAP service. I created a data variable here for the old data integration so I can consume it from the button through a create record component, pointing to that data variable with the proper payload coming from the selected smart beans on the UI.